Hi, I'm Matt Swab, and I'm pleased to introduce my colleague, Will Roboski. Today, we are privileged to share 133 Warwick Drive with you.
Thanks, Matt. Throughout this spacious Upper St. Clair home, you'll discover thoughtful design consistently creates a modern and elegant atmosphere.
What did you think when you first saw this space, Will?
I was blown away. The natural hardwoods flowing throughout beautifully complement the custom cabinetry, as well as the suite of stainless steel LG appliances. Can we take a second to talk about this gorgeous countertop and backsplash? They're fantastic.
And it's great that it's complemented by a formal dining room and this inviting den.
In addition to the kitchen and dining areas, there's even more living space in this home.
I really enjoy the elegance of this sunken living room, made cozy by the fireplace. And through the French doors, you have access to a private office or den. And downstairs, you're sure to get a lot of use out of the finished basement, complete with a powder room and third fireplace.
Upstairs, the natural hardwood continues throughout all 5 bedrooms. Now, I have to point something out that I really love. Look at how intentional and cohesive the design is in each of these baths. You have 3 full and 2 half baths, each with their own unique but complementary personalities.
Outside, you have a covered patio, fire pit, and mature landscaping. One of the major selling features of this home, though, isn't part of the house. It's what the house gives you access to. Less than 24 homes in Upper St. Clair have direct backyard access to Gilfillan Trail. 133 Warwick is one of them.
Thank you for joining us today. I'm Will Roboski.
And I'm Matt Swab with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. For more information, contact us or visit 133warwick.com. Thanks. Have a great one.